Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to hide Bitget wallet account. If you want to hide your Bitget account or make it less visible, then simply go ahead and open up the Bitget application on your mobile device and sign into your account. From the main homepage of Bitget, click on the menu button at the top left corner. Now this will open up your profile page. After you do that, click on the settings or the gear button at the top right corner and under preferences, look for the hide account button. Toggle on the button right next to hide account and click on enable. And this will restrict people from searching or following you on Bitget. So that is how you can hide your account on Bitget quickly and easily. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you.